the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 12 Pro from Metro by T-Mobile. So the iPhone 12 Pro is now at Metro. So quick specs on the iPhone 12 Pro. Of course, it does have 5G. This is the first iPhone to have 5G on it, so that's really nice. Pro system with night mode cameras, 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display. So yeah, the iPhone 12 Pro is available now for $999.99. This is the 128GB version only. The Metro only offers the one storage option for the iPhone, but I'm not sure why they do that, but they do. It's available in gray or blue. So yes, as I said, iPhone 12 Pro 5G to download huge files on the go and stream stream HDR video. Beautifully bright 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display. Ceramic shield with 4 times brighter drop performance. Incredible low light photography with a pro camera system and 4 times optical zoom in, similar double vision video recording, editing and playback, night mode portrait and next level experiences with Linder scanner, powerful A14 Bionic chip, and new MagSafe accessories for easy attach and faster wireless charging for indefinite spectacular possibilities. So pretty nice there. So the iPhone 12 Pro has a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display, ceramic shield, tougher than any other smartphone glass, 5G for super fast downloads and high quality streaming, A14 Bionic chip, the fastest chip ever in a smartphone. Apple says it every year. Pro camera system with 12 megapixel ultra wide and telephoto cameras. They're all at 12 megapixels, so to keep it in mind. But also night mode, deep fusion, smart HDR3, Apple Pro RAW 4K Dolby Vision HDR recording. So yeah, a lot of features for this one here. So if you guys switch to Metro, you can get the iPhone 12 Pro $200 off, so that would make it $800 for the iPhone 12 Pro. So pretty nice there. Faster for 5G speed, A14 Bionic, the fastest chip in the smartphone, and a pro camera system that takes low light photography to the next level with an even bigger jump on iPhone 12 Pro Max. A design pushed right to the edge. The Super Retina XDR display gives edge-to-edge with ceramic shield, which has 4 times better drop performance. Hello 5G, super fast, super low latency, so you can game, so you can get faster downloads, better quality video streaming, more responsive gaming, and real-time interactivity. So that's nice. The chip that pushes what's possible, introducing the first 5nm chip in the industry, which means more speed, more power, more efficiency. So it's really nice, you know. AR at the speed of light. Linder creates accurate, tough maps in nanoseconds. So objects are placed instantly and more accurately in AR experiences. A new day for night mode. Night mode goes wide and ultra wide and makes it even better at capturing natural color in dim light. The new wide camera captures 27% more light. 60 times more colors. Wow. 10-bit HDR recording makes video more lifelike. You can easily edit, watch, and show double vision videos too. first camera ever to record in double vision, which is nice. AirPlay lets you stream 4K double vision video to your Apple TV or Smart TV. There's no phone like iPhone. Easy to use, simple and intuitive, so it's easy to get around with just a tap or swipe. Smart performance, Apple designs up for speed, power efficiency, and intelligent in everything you do. Durable and retains value, and that's very true. iPhone is built to last and holds its value longer than other smartphones, and that is very true, guys. Protect your privacy. Every aspect is designed to keep your information private and secure. So you can compare the different iPhones here. You can compare the iPhone 12 Pro, the Pro Max, which will be out in a few weeks. So yeah. And they all have 5G on them. Every iPhone this year has 5G with it, so it's really nice. MagSafe accessories. Snap on a magnetic case, wallet, or both. A new ecosystem of accessories for effortless attachment and faster wireless charging with endless ways to combine. There is a mix to match any style. Apple Care expert support extended coverage, so if you guys have an iPhone, get insurance on this course because it will save you in the long run. It says Apple certified this service, 24/7 priority access to support, repair and replacement coverage. Apple Music, lose yourself in 70 million songs. Stream 70 million songs ad-free. Download your favorite tracks, play them offline, and you can compare other iPhone models and listen. It's pretty nice. The specs on the iPhone 12 Pro has 128 gigabytes of storage, and that's the new resonant measure is currently offering. 6.1 inch Suburban XDR display. Pro camera system with 12 megapixel ultra wide and telephoto cameras. They are all 12 megapixel cameras. Night mode, deep fusion, smart HDR3, Apple Profile 4K Dolby Vision HDR recording. There is no external storage because this is iPhone. It is mobile hotspot capable. 11 hours of talk time. iOS 14, a 14 bionic chip. The iPhone 12 Pro was 5.8 ounces. And you guys have some accessories here. So if you guys want to get accessories for your iPhone 12 Pro, go to Amazon and type in iPhone 12 Pro to get your accessories on Amazon. So do that. So there you guys have the iPhone 12 Pro is now here at Metro by T-Mobile. It's available now for $999.99 for the 128GB iPhone 12 Pro, and that's the only version that Metro is currently offering. So yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. You guys, it really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.